Hello, I am so excited to make this video because today's video is so special. I want to share with you something amazing that's happening in the academy, and that is our Vibe Shift Sessions 2025. You see, for years I've kind of just sat in the couch with this gaping hole between where I was and where I wanted to be. My days were full of work. I worked day in and day out, and still the same projects that it was so important for me to make sure they worked out for me. I looked to see the results, did not show results. I have worked very, very hard and still not seen a single movement. Maybe it moved a little and then came back to ground zero. There's a saying that I came across by Abraham Hicks called, "No amount of hard work can make up for your lack of alignment." So my inner work was just 10%, my outer work was 90%, and my outer work was coming from a broken sense of self-esteem, broken sense of self-image, a lot of fear and a lot of belief issues that I didn't even know I had. Now, because the saying is no amount of hard work can make up for your lack of alignment, my decision went on to putting more effort into my inner state, my alignment, which means strong positive momentum towards myself, the universe, my desires, and people. And when I started doing that, when these beliefs began to shift around all these four areas, I went from a state of stuckness. I really paint an image of feeling so sorry for yourself on the couch, and that gap between where you are and where you want to go is continuously there, staring you in the face. That's a state of being stuck. Stuck means you're producing the same emotions day in and day out, same thoughts day in and day out without even realizing it, even though you're trying different techniques here and there to try to get yourself out of that. But it's only your predominant emotions that manifest. So when I went into shifting gears from stuck to alignment, I got into a state of flow. It's a feeling that only when you're in alignment you understand what I'm trying to say. That feeling is so precious, the feeling of being in alignment. Once I'm in alignment, what ended up happening was I started getting into the state of flow, which means things begin to happen to you without a lot of effort. So financial freedom is the easiest thing to attract. It's so easy. It's like having a box of $1 million in your house and you have the key to open it. It's here. Get excited. You just have to open the key and open that and access your $1 million. That feeling, that is alignment. So alignment is when you're pure positive momentum. Momentum means you built it over a period of time. That momentum towards all those different areas of life and yourself and the universe and the desires that you have is all good and positive. When I got into that state, money started flowing in beautifully, beautiful relationships, beautiful health. I cannot even tell you how many health stories I have personally and my students' health stories, beautiful opportunities in career. We have, back in the day in 2020, we had a program called MMMC. MMMC, I don't know if you've heard about it, it was very, very famous. Every time we refreshed the page, we had a Facebook page where students would post their success stories. Every time we refreshed the page, there was a new success story. What I'm offering you now, the Vibe Shift Sessions, is MMMC on steroids, and I'm going to explain what they are. So I want you to imagine 20 concentrated minutes with me live, you're just going to be looking at me, practicing exercises that I'm going to tell you to do, which are exercises on alignment, exercises to drop your resistances, exercises to put you in a state of inner peace, allowing, surrender and receiving, different exercises that align you to money, to healing your relationships, healthy marriage, also your health and your career. Different exercises we'll be doing every day. So 20 concentrated minutes every day in that high positive momentum every weekday. So weekends, no, but weekdays, yes. Imagine the power of spending that every day with me. Now, what I'm offering you here is a subscription program. So you can subscribe to these sessions, attend them, and you can cancel at any time. So it's kind of like Netflix, except it's Netflix for the soul. Except here you're not passively consuming something, here you're actively practicing something. So every day tuning in, tapping into your own power, the universe, the best thoughts you can produce on all of these different areas of life, and learning to release those very ideas that are getting in the way of you feeling good about any of these areas. Let's release those, let's do it together. We did this in 2020 like MMMC, and I told you this time it's going to be on steroids, because this time we're giving exercises from major huge programs of ours like HealyFest, where we're offering those exercises 20 minutes a day for you guys at a fraction of a cost. I don't even know if Netflix costs this much. Probably Netflix costs slightly less than this, but you get the point, is highly valuable. You will attract a lot of money, you will attract a lot of harmony in your relationships, much better health. Maybe you will heal out, because we see these stories all the time. People healing out of things that have been ailing them for years. A lot of stuck money will be unstuck. A lot of magic and miracles will happen in your daily life. That's what we live here in Synchro Shakti Academy, is daily miracles. We see them on our WhatsApp groups, we see them in our Telegram groups, we see them on our feed, by those who stay in alignment. And to stay in alignment and to stay in consistency and to build that momentum and to be in the positive vibration and momentum, that's the key word, is what I want to offer to you at the Vibe Shift sessions. Now, if you think, hey, you know what, I don't want to be in a monthly subscription, I know I'm going to be there throughout the entire year because I know I'm going to tune in 20 minutes. If I'm at office, I'll take a 20-minute bathroom break, just log in and do the exercises. If I'm at school, I can do the same. The timing is 7 to 7:20 p.m. Indian Standard Time, so it's after office hours and school hours for Indians. But if you're outside of India, Indian or otherwise, you can take a break wherever you are, 20 minutes, log in, do these exercises with me, get into the positive momentum and create miracles. If you knew the power of concentrated 20 minutes every day of positive momentum, of doing beautiful, powerful exercises, you will know how that will shape your identity, your self-image, how it will shape your thinking, your beliefs, and therefore your reality. There's a lot of magic to be created here. 2025, we're going to have MMMC on steroids again. If you're excited to find out more about that, go check out all the information in the description. These exercises meant to release your resistance, to align you, to put you in harmony, to create magical feelings within you and around you, and really truly experience magical things in your reality. We've done it with every program we have ever put out. We have seen magic, and this is going to be another one. So are you going to be a part of the magic? If yes, go find out more information below. I love you. Thank you so much for joining me on Vibe Shift 2025, and I look forward to seeing you at the Vibe Shift sessions.